So it's good to be slide by slide.
Okay, sure. So, okay, now we have a basic introduction of our project, and the tech stack we're going to use as Mind developers. We are using Nuxt.js, and for our state management, we are using Redux Toolkit and React Redux. I will also explain to you why we are using Redux. And for our user libraries, UI libraries, we are going to use nDesign. We're going to use nDesign for many of our features, our UIs and validations and others. And we're also going to use Bootstrap classes to minimize our coding, our CSS. And we're going to use React icons to show icons to our users. And as HTTP client, we are not going to use the browser API fetch. We are going to use Axios, and you will see the benefits of using Axios. And other utility libraries, we are going to use JS cookie for handling cookies. And also you are going to understand why we are using cookies. And for styling, we are using SCSS to better format our CSS code. And for media handling, we are using React Zoom Slider and Swiper. It is to create carousels in our homepage or in our product details page. And for loading spinners, we are using React loader spinner to show the user our loading state. And for notifications, we are using Sonar, but mostly we are going to use nDesign components as loading spinners and notifications, but we are also install this for specific cases. Okay.